Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody posted that they want to cut out stickers and change the number of the stickers. So I just kind of create a sticker. I even have a red hairline around it to cut out a sticker. Our friend Eskimo, and I haven't done a video on his in a long time, but this is sequential numbers. All you have to do is, I'm going to use this kind of hard to read because it's so long, but there's 2-digit text, 3-digit text, 4-digit text. So I'm going to pick the 3-digit text or the 2 different text, and I'm going to double click on it, and my mouse turns into this. And then I can just move my mouse wherever I want. And you can see that I'm not perfectly spaced out, but how quick is that? Because then you would have to, you know what, I say that, I'm going to have to hit the escape key to kill that program. And my escape key is the alphabet. I'm going to group it together this time and see what happens. I don't see how I could change the number of the group. Wow. So that's going to save some. Let me back up here. You can have it grouped together, because what that's going to do is going to save you time if you had a lot of stickers. And I'm going to have to kill that with the escape key, and I'll get my alphabet, and that's another video. But let's say we have all these stickers. You see you did a whole page of them, and now you want them closer together. Well, all you have to do is kind of move them around and, get them close, and I'm going to show you even more. I'm not intentionally just moving them. Now we're going to take them, I'm going to hit T, that put them all equal, and they're really pretty well spaced apart. But you could even space them, align and distribute them. And then you just have to put, these in, and if you had to get them on a particular sheet size, the time saving is going to be incredible. So now I've got that one a little bit closer to the edge. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select it and hit either B or T to put them equally. Let's go to Windows, Dockers, and Align and Distribute. And my macro is in the way of it. Let me tell you what, let me close the macro, go to Windows, Dockers, and Align and Distribute. I don't know why that's like that. There we go. I must have shut it down. And so right here, I'm actually going to use this one. And it aligned my stickers out evenly. And you could print that off. I've made videos on this before, but I had no idea that you could, make some sort of sticker graphic and have it work. So I'll leave a link to this macro that you can download. It's free. He does it for nothing, just to help the community. Anyway, and you could use any font, any thickness. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.